Hey, so the Windows 11 is here. Actually, this is the developer review account. So there will be a new announce about Windows 11. So here you can see I will show you how to install the Windows. So let me turn off my secure boot because I installed the Windows on the Ventoy. Everyone should be using Ventoy because it's great. So there you can see let me choose the language. I think this one is the English one. Yeah. So let me choose my keyboard setup and my country. Okay. So the setup is, I think, the same. You can see the logo is changed here. The Windows logo is different. As soon as I click next, the logo will change. The old one, as you can see. So install now. So here everything is like before. You need to accept and let me clear one hard drive, the first one. Okay, and create new and click next. Okay, let me first forward this step. So as you can see, everything is like Windows 10 and so now it's restarting. So everything is same. So a few days ago, Windows said there will not be any kind of new Windows, only the upgrading of Windows 10. But suddenly they are going to drop the Windows 11, and it's new, it's beautiful, it's nice. So here you can see the setup is almost finished. The new logo, everything is very nice, almost like MacBook. Okay, let's not say it's like MacBook, but the design and everything is good. So as always, do not connect the Wi-Fi because I do not want to connect my Microsoft account in the Windows. It's a great pain in the ass. Okay, so there you go, no password, and click everything no, as always. Okay, there you go. So almost finished. There will be a new, this is a new animation. As you can see, it's great. The Windows 11 is nice. I think it's little bit heavy. When I was installing, it took little bit longer than the Windows 10. This is the first thing I have noticed, but as I have a normal i5 processor computer, I didn't realize anything. So as you can see, everything is centered here. There is a search bar, there is the Windows logo also in the center. I wished the taskbar also cleared somehow because if not, it's not looking so great. I wanted everything is centered and in two sides it's cleared. Okay, but because of some buttons in the taskbar, it's not looking nice. So as you can see, all the 90% settings are almost the same. The logo changed, they changed lots of icons also, and there is of course the security improvement in the background. Okay, so yeah, I always like this. Turn on all the taskbar. Let me show you some wallpaper. The wallpaper are great, they are beautiful. They are not like Windows 10. The Windows 10 wallpaper were horrible. Okay, so on the box, the Windows 11 wallpaper are beautiful. Okay, so let me on my let me get my my computer icon, and let me try something here. So here you can see theme. In the theme there is some new wallpaper here. They're beautiful, yeah. Okay, and the sound also changed everywhere. The sounds are calmer than the Windows 10. Okay, even notification and all the Windows turn on turn off sounds are beautiful also. It's very nice. The wallpaper are very nice. All the wallpaper, all the basic theme are very nice. And of course you can download everything from the Windows gallery. Okay, Before the icons and everything were 3D-ish, but now it's more 2D-ish. Okay, as you can see, the driver is still missing. This is my testing computer, so just leave it like this. So as you can see, this is Windows 11 Pro Dev. Okay, developer preview.